All right, welcome back. Real quick video on basically an introduction to reputation management. You're going to learn some hacks and tactics for pushing bad results off of page one. Some of the things that we're going to talk about in certain situations, you're going to be actually able to remove things completely from Google. All right. This course is really a push button way to help you push those bad results off the first page, or like I said, entirely remove the bad result. It's the easiest way to deal with reputation management techniques. Once I came upon it, I knew there was nobody out there teaching this. I've done it with a lot of clients, and not every technique is going to work for every situation. So that's why I have multiple techniques in here, because you want to be able to guarantee your results to your client. All right. So that's your reputation management introduction. I will see you on the next video.